everyone, I'm San, and today we're going to amp up our demo game with Fable. Get ready to add that personal touch and make your demo shine. With Fable, it's easy to edit and personalize your demos like a pro. So let's jump right in and make the magic happen. Let's personalize the demo we had created earlier, how to change the event color on Google Calendar. The very first step for customizing is the annotation message edit box where we can write the message we want to convey to our buyer. There are a plethora of customizations for the text, such as bold, italics, alignment, font change, etc. In fact, we can add pictures, GIFs, and hyperlinks too. We can also record and upload videos. All right, let's talk about making your demo uniquely yours. It's time to dive into the world of branding and let your creativity run wild. Choose your colors, fonts, and styles to match your brand voice and make your demo truly yours. So primary color means the color of this box. So let's change this to black. Okay, background color, as we know, it means background color. Let's change this to red. Yep, this looks good. Font color, let it be white. Border radius tells us about the size of the box. Under advanced, we have the border color. I think let's go ahead with black again because this gives a much sharper tone. Yes. Selection color, let that be black as well. I'm happy with this font. Selection effect. I think blinking is better, right? So you can see the difference. Selection shape, box or pulse. Let's check pulse out. I think for this one, box is better. Okay, yes. And padding means you can change the size of the box as well. CTAs, let's talk about call to action. With Fable, you're in control of every detail. Want your CTA to stand out as a bold link or blend in as a sleek box? The power is in your hands. You can even choose to hide it or switch up the text. You can even add custom buttons and take your buyers to a specific landing page, resources, or demo booking pages if you wish so. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to endless possibilities with Fable. So over here, we can add a link if you want to take your buyer to a different page. We can hide this button. We can change the text as well over here. Button style primary, we can make it look like a link like this. Okay. You can elevate your demos into eye-catching presentations with our effects feature, tailored to enhance their aesthetic. Add stunning features to both the background and annotation boxes to make your demo stand out. It's all in your hands. My personal favorite in this one is clarity. Yes, this blurs the background and focuses on that specific element. On annotation, I think let's go ahead with bleeding edge. Yup, this definitely looks good. Sizing and positioning helps us to play around with the size and placement of the annotation box in the way we want to present it. So let's go to custom. Suppose we want the box to be upwards like this. But I think this is a better option. So let's go back to this. Box sizing, we have an option to choose between medium and large. I'd let it be small itself. Under hotspot, we have the option to hide the annotation if you want the users to go with the flow by clicking the on-screen elements. Under nested elements, it helps us to focus on one particular element we want to highlight. So let's click on select and select this. Under advanced, we can choose the entry point of a demo and choose to apply the overlay or not. And last but not the least, one of the most stunning features we have is in annotations. We can also choose a custom effect where we can write our own effect. We can code it via CSS. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for the second part of this editing video.